quiet, I'm doing a Foodgod yummy or crummy. What's up, it's Foodgod, a yummy or crummy product review. Meals, homestyle meal, and a dessert. S'mores cookie and pizza, guys. Here we go, we put the 2 pouches of the dessert in there. All you need is water. Oh my God, I hope I'm doing this right. Here we go, put the water in. We stick the heating pad in the water, in between the 2 dessert pouches, and we close this really fast. Here we go, 3 to 5 minutes. It's supposed to have steam coming out of it. I feel it expanding. Oh my God, this is amazing. Can you see this? This is cooking right now. I don't know if we're supposed to let this stop cooking on its own, or do I just open it and get like a heat wave on my face and a facial right now? Wow, they are literally smoking hot, like from the oven. The other one is still cooking. I've never been more excited on a product review in my life. Guys, yummy or crummy, the s'mores cookie. Here we go. Let's see. It is what it is. All right, guys, time for the yummy or crummy rating. If I had a rating system, I'd give this cookie a 5. But I don't. Guys, I'm sorry, but the O'Meal's cookies are great if you're desperate and you really can't stop and get a chocolate chip cookie anywhere on the road. Otherwise, I'd have to say pass. I'm sorry. Next week, for part 2, the O'Meal's homestyle pepperoni pizza. Let's try this. Yummy or crummy? This could be a good one.